I didn't get ready. That's why I went out my home. Then I wash my face. Then I get ready.
Wow, that's great, sir. Sir, you look like so smart.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
Yeah,
I thought you would not come,
yeah.
but you have come, sir.
Why, bro? This application I am using first time. I don't get idea about this application.
Okay. First time you are using this app.
Yeah, first time. Today onwards only.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Definitely, if you use, then you will learn each and everything. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. So we are meeting very first time, and thank you for reaching out to us.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
And first of all, sir, I want you to introduce yourself.
Wait for a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for introducing myself. Bro, myself, I am Umesh. I am from Karnataka, but currently I am living in the Bidar district. I have completed second POC. I did second POC in RRK PU College. Now I am pursuing BSc FUSEM in RRK PU College uh, from Bidar University. I have 2 year experience in the chemical industry as a chemist, and my hobbies are watching YouTube and listening music and playing cricket. And apart from that, my goal is to I will become a in charge in the chemical industry, and it's all about me.
Wow, that's great. Very wonderful introduction, sir, from your side.
Yes, bro.
And that's great to know about you, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. So now it is my turn, and the ball is in my court. Okay, so well, my name is Jamdi Israel. I come from Bihar state.
Okay.
I'm talking to you from the court.
Hmm.
My hobbies are listening song, watching movie, and traveling.
Hmm.
Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. I
Yes.
believe that I believe that this language is very very important.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and for everyone, I can say. Okay, yeah, that's it, and that's all about me. It is my big introduction. So, sir, your English is so good. So, when did you start your English journey?
Bro, I started this English language for 2 year back. I have been learning this English language for 2 year.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so what kind of challenges did you face initially?
Yeah, I have faced many challenges, bro. When I started this language, uh, I didn't know proper way of starting this language, but after that I can slowly I can learn slowly this language. And after that, sometimes my friends they were laughed at me, but
Okay, okay,
I never ever give up, bro. But still I'm uh, continuously I'm practicing this English language.
okay, okay. So when you started your this journey, your friend laughed at you, but you
Yes.
never give up, and now so you are able to speak.
Hmm.
Okay, so from where did you start? I mean to say, from where did you start? From grammar and from spoken.
Bro, I am telling to you, literally I would like to tell you one thing. I had taken admission CSA institute here in Bidar districts. There is a small one institute. I had taken this admission, but I started journey from this CSA, career skill academy.
Okay,
But when I started, my mind was blocking.
okay, okay. Then
How can I made up sentence also? I didn't know. and even I don't know how can vocabulary words also. And
Okay.
after that, my sir, his name is Shukrodin sir, and he was learning gradually.
Okay.
Yeah. And after that, I can practice with myself
Okay.
every day.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Initially, when you started your speaking journey, spoken journey, you practiced by yourself. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, you are practicing by yourself. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So, initially, did you know grammar or not?
Bro, I started this English language from grammar.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Grammar.
Yeah. But at the startup, my sir has taught us, you don't you didn't speak proper English. You can speak, just you can start up, right or wrong. First, you can throw out English words from your mouth. And he said like this, and after that I can gradually I can practice English. And still I am sometimes I'm stucking, but I don't worry about my language, my thoughts,
Mistake.
because of,
Mistake.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That is a very important, sir. You
Yes.
don't think about your mistake. Okay. And definitely one day you can improve and you can learn and you
Yes.
will improve, sir. With no
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
Because when you think that I'm going to speak this language, no matter I speak wrong and right.
Hmm.
Okay.
Bro, that time, mm, uh, firstly, as I told you, as I told you earlier, I didn't know single English word also. But
Mhm.
just our sir told us, just you can speak right or wrong.
Mhm.
He saw,
Broken English. Broken English.
you can plus, first you can broke English. This is
Mhm.
right or wrong. You don't worry about making a mistake, because
Okay.
every mistake helps you improve your language.
Wow. Very well. Very well, sir.
And every day I am following my sir's rules. And sometimes I am getting the information about, like you. And many groups are I have, and many application I have. Some every time I ask to anyone, bro, please could you some give me some suggestion, how can I practice English every day. Already I am doing every day practice English, but apart from that, I can listen to your opinion also.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Definitely. I tell you, sir, each and everything that how will you practice so
Hmm.
that become more fluent.
Yes.
I have lots of ideas, sir.
Hmm.
Yes.
So,
So first, you have to speak English for 1 hour in a
yes.
day. Okay. You
Hmm.
have to watch English content.
Hmm.
Third, think in English.
Think in English.
Think
Yes.
in English.
I'm doing
And
regularly this.
fourth,
Yeah.
record yourself.
Hmm.
Record yourself. And
Yeah.
fifth, stand in front of mirror
Yes.
and practice by yourself. What
Yes.
you do entire day and whatever you do entire day, you have to practice. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to stay by yourself.
Hmm.
After that, definitely, sir, you can improve.
That's right, bro.
If you know present, what is the present, what is the past, and what is the future, then
Hmm.
definitely you can learn and you are not going to make a mistake.
Hmm.
If you make mistake initially, okay, but while doing practice, okay, everything will be corrected and
Yes.
everything will be fine. So don't worry. Okay, LSRW.
Yes.
So there are four pillars. There are four pillars to improve this language.
Right, right.
Okay, so we have LSRW. We have listen. Okay, speak, write. Okay, we have to do so many things.
Yes.
Definitely, yes, sir, you can improve.
Yes.
Okay, So now have you understood everything?
Yes,
Okay. So you are from Karnataka, am I right?
yes.
So what kind of food is famous in Karnataka?
Bro, here very famous food is there. I would like to say dehati and green chili chutney.
Okay.
Yes.
And green chili chutney and
And here, have you heard? I don't know. Ragi mudde. Do you know what is a ragi mudde?
no, I don't know ragi mudhi. What is the ragi mudhi?
Ragi mudde. It's type of seeds, small seeds, and we can grind the in a grinder machine. After that, they take a flour, and then we can make them to like a round ragi mudde.
Okay, 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 okay. So
Yes.
is it made by rice and
Yeah,
what?
it's made by small seeds. I don't know what we call in English that seeds.
Okay, okay. Do
Yeah.
you know barley, corn?
Ah,
Huh?
like this barley, small seeds.
Okay, okay.
Do
I
you know?
got it.
Have you seen jawar?
Yeah, I know, I know.
Like same this ragi.
Okay, okay. How often do you take?
It's take every 2 days. 2 days
Okay,
after
okay.
2 days.
After 2 days, you
Yeah,
take, huh?
it's a very helpful of our body. It gives to us nutrients.
Okay, okay. So, which place is famous in Karnataka? Pair with me.
Sorry, bro. Once again.
Which place is famous in Karnataka?
Bro, here I couldn't tell to you specific place because of here of many things are
Mm-hmm.
special places. Like Jog Jalpata in Hassan district. It comes in a Hassan district, and
Okay.
Mysore Palace. It comes under in a Mysore.
Mm-hmm.
And in our Bidar district, it's a very famous temple is the Gurudwara.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So, have you been there or not?
Yeah, yeah, I have been there.
How many times have you been there?
At least through 2 3 times.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, did you go there alone and with your family and friend?
I visited there with my family, and sometimes I visited there with my friends, and sometimes I visited there with my colleagues.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So nowadays you are learning English. Nowadays you know that what is the rule and regulation. Okay.
Hmm.
So what kind of challenging are you facing nowadays?
Bro, nowadays, still I am not speaking with the front of people. Just I'm practicing every day. But
Mm.
I'm eagerly I'm waiting for this time. When will it comes to talk with the front of people? That time I have seen myself how it is my expression.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
Do you feel nervous? Do you feel nervous?
It's a definitely, bro, because of everyone has a faced this challenge.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great.
Just I'm waiting for this reason to when will it come to time to speaking with the front of people.
Hmm. But
Yeah.
you are speaking in front of me.
No, I am speaking only front of you, but it's time to come talking with the front, speaking with the front of people. That time, what's expression goes on me. That's I'm thinking.
Okay. Okay. So do
Yeah,
you want to speak English in front of the lots of people?
yeah. My goal is to I have to speak front of people around 15 or 50.
Mhm. Mhm. So,
Because,
I mean to say, you want to become a public speaker. Am I right?
yes. Because of without public speaking, our English practice is a waste.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
because now I am speaking with front of you, but because you are you from other state and I am from other state, and we don't know properly each other, but just we can speak together. But it's time to come 15 people front of me. Some how it's the expression, they are only watching my face. That time how it's going, that is the thinking I have.
No matter, sir. No matter. If you know very well English, if you have confidence,
Yeah.
then you can speak English. Okay,
Yes.
in front of 500 people.
Yes.
There is no
uh,
doubt.
yeah, half an hour ago I asked to in a, on this WhatsApp group, some friends, bro, how can we practice every day? But everyone has a different things and different skills, and they are just I would just I want to know about them, how they are practice. Just yeah.
See, as I told you that
Hmm.
how do you practice and how will you practice? Okay,
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
speak, speak. Okay, for 1 hour. Listen, think in English. Okay, you have to do like this, sir.
Yeah.
And if you have if you have book, then read book. It
Yes.
is too good. If you read book, then your tongue will twist. So you
Yes.
have to read book, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
He's my nephew, bro. He is only he's playing with the phone. You can see
Okay.
him.
Okay.
Just you can see him.
Yeah. Actually, she's a kid now.
Yeah.
Hi.
He's only
Hi.
he is shying, bro. He is
He has
shying.
got a scared. He has got a scared.
Yes.
That's why she has gone.
Mm.
Okay, bro. So nice to talk to you. Nice to talk to you. Okay. We will talk later.
Yeah,
It was
you
wonderful. It was wonderful conversation with you.
and bro, you whenever you can approach me, I can definitely I can practice with you. Just you can message me, and that every time, because of I am hungry. I'm learning this English to hungry.
Okay, you are so hungry. Okay.
Yeah, I'm so hungry to learn English.
Okay. Don't worry. I will teach you, sir. I will teach you. Don't worry. Huh?
Yeah, and every time you can just message me and I can speak with you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Okay.